With unpredictable rainfall and growing concerns about climate anomalies, understanding these changes and preparing for them becomes more critical than ever.
This warning system for the extreme weather or meteorological early warning system, then also the climate early warning system, also provided for the tsunami warning system. Due to the occurring landslides and flash floods that have happened quite frequently across Indonesia and cause a great concern due to its destructive impact on people's livelihood, the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency of Indonesia, or BMKG, has issued an early warning system to alert the people of the peril they may face so they can be aware of the imminent danger posed by natural disasters.
Indonesia faces an increased risk of extreme weather in various regions. With unpredictable rainfall and growing concerns about climate anomalies, understanding these changes and preparing for them becomes more critical than ever. We'll explore the causes behind this extreme weather and how Indonesia's early warning system helps mitigate the risks. According to the Meteorological, Climatological and Geophysical Agency, or BMKG, several key weather phenomena are contributing to the extreme weather conditions we're experiencing in Indonesia. As explained by BMKG's head, Dwikorita, these phenomena include the La Niña effect, the Madden-Julian oscillation, and other cyclical weather patterns.
As that has been predicted by our agency BMKG since last October, that starting November, we will have the wet season or rainy season. And during this rainy season, we also predicted that the weak La Niña will enter Indonesia due to the global climate anomaly, which is driven by the cooling of the surface sea temperature in Pacific Ocean. What will be the impact of that? So this weak La Niña result in the increase of 20% of the rain intensity every month. And it will occur starting from November till March or April next year.
La Niña, a cooling of sea surface temperatures in the Pacific Ocean, contributes to increased rainfall. In addition to this, the Madden-Julian oscillation, a large-scale cloud system moving across the equator, brings more intense rainfall to Indonesia. Moreover, warmer seas around Indonesia and cold air pushing from Siberia have led to cyclonic circulation, which also contributes to high winds and strong waves, further exacerbating the rainfall. To mitigate the impact of these extreme weather conditions, BMKG has implemented an early warning system that covers a range of hazards from weather to tsunamis. According to Dwikorita, this system is a crucial step in saving lives and minimizing disaster damage.
Our early warning system is actually a multi-hazard early warning system. This warning system for the extreme weather or meteorological early warning system, then also the climate early warning system, say like we provide the warning 6 months earlier before the droughts, or 6 months earlier before the wet rainy season, yeah. And our warning system also provided for the tsunami warning system. So it is multi-hazard early warning system.
And how we prepare the technology. At the beginning, we have collaboration. We start with the collaboration. We learn from developed countries. For instance, from Japan, from UK, from France. Yeah, that's for the weather. Climate is from, especially the longest time we learn is from United States. We have more than 17 years collaboration with the NOAA.
This system, developed with international collaborations, integrates atmospheric and oceanic models to provide accurate weather forecasts. BMKG has also enhanced its ocean monitoring capabilities with hundreds of new observation systems.
We integrate the processing and modeling of the weather or atmospheric modeling integrated with the oceanic modeling. Because when we talk about the weather and climate, it is not only about the atmosphere. It has strongly effect from the ocean. Earlier, all of our monitoring system is installed inland, yeah. So we had very limited numbers of ocean observation system. It's about three years ago. So now we have quite many, hundreds of observation system in the ocean. Meanwhile, at the same time, we also powered by the satellite monitoring, yeah, both for weather and also for the ocean.
In addition to technological advancements, public education plays a key role in the effectiveness of these warnings. BMKG collaborates with local governments, NGOs, and communities to ensure that the warnings are understood and actionable.
We need to collaborate also with the other agency in order to ensure that this technical warning can reach the people at the ground and they can understand what the warning content and they know how to respond properly.
So how can the public prepare for the increasing risk of extreme weather? According to BMKG, staying informed and not panicking are key.
I would like to suggest to anyone, any people, please be aware with the extreme weathers, but don't be panicked. How to do that? We have technology, digital technology. So please keep monitor the dynamic of the weather through the mobile apps. BMKG provide Info BMKG. That's the mobile apps with the multi-hazard information related to the meteorology, climatology, air quality, earthquake and tsunami in one app.
The BMKG app provides timely weather forecasts for up to 5 days, including crucial information on waves, wind, and currents for those at sea. It's an essential tool for anyone planning a journey, whether on land, air, or at sea.
Please be aware, keep monitor every hour, yeah, anytime about the potential weather climate condition, as well as about the warning of any potential extreme conditions.
As Indonesia faces an increase in extreme weather, the role of early warning systems, public awareness, and technological advancement has never been more vital. By staying informed and prepared, we can better protect ourselves and our communities from the impacts of these natural phenomena.
The early warning system developed by the Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency, or BMKG, is an absolute need for the safety of the people, as it is a crucial step in natural disaster mitigation. The next logical step would be widespread awareness and thorough understanding of the people, so this technology can truly meet its objective, which is to save lives. It is undeniable that it is not a matter of if, but a matter of when, of the time we need to use it. Cisca, Becker, TVRI World.